And the wife he left on Cedar Creek with that old ranch to run. She sweats and strains from break of day until the setting sun. She stares across the valley and she says, I'd like to know, but the only ones a talking are them damned old winds that blow. Out in western Colorado, where the Cedar Creek winds blow, from the summit of the Cerro to the valley far below. And that Uncompahgre Valley, it's still talked about today. How they never found the body of the cowboy, Benny Gray. The last day of May in the year of 78, he vanished from the sight of man and no one knows his fate. It's hard to count his enemies, hard to count his friends, and either way no one can say who brought him to his end. And those Cedar Creek winds, they come and fade away, howling and whispering, and they seem to say that they're searching, always searching, searching for the bones of Benny Gray. He was a husband and a father and a purely dangerous man. He got crosswise with the law one time for chasing the wrong brand. He had his reputation, but the folks who knew him say they never had a better neighbor than the cowboy, Benny Gray. He rode the mountain valleys where the San Juans touch the sky, Black Canyon of the Gunnison, that old Blue Mesa High, Sapanero and the Blue and the Little Cimarron. His shadow may still cross them, but Benny Gray's gone. And those Cedar Creek winds, they come and fade away, howling and whispering, and they seem to say that they're searching, always searching, searching for the bones of Benny Gray. And the wife he left on Cedar Creek with that old ranch to run sweats and strains from break of day until the setting sun. She stares across the valley and she says, I'd like to know, but the only ones that talking are them damn old winds that blow. And those Cedar Creek winds, they come and fade away, howling and whispering, and they seem to say that they're searching, always searching, searching for the bones of Benny Gray, searching for the bones of Benny Gray.